Hi Filmator! In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into the exciting world of special effects and learn how to use them to transform your video clips with the Filma app. So, buckle up and let's get started. First, make sure you have a project with a clip added to a video track. Now, select the clip and head over to the Magic Wand tool. Here, you'll see the tile section, so go ahead and expand it. We're going to start by trying out the pyramid effect. Tap on it and then hit apply. Now, to make this effect even more dynamic, we're going to animate it using keyframes. Head over to the Layers panel, find the newly added property, and expand the keyframes drawer. We want the effect to start from a normal state, so select the first and only keyframe we have so far and move the slider to a value around 1. This will remove any pyramidal levels from the starting point. Now, move the timeline a bit further and deselect the keyframe we just edited so we can add a new one. Adjust the slider to the number of pyramid levels you want to animate to, and then tap the keyframe button to add a new keyframe at this point in time. Congratulations! You've now used the pyramid effect and animated it with keyframes, going from a normal state to multiple levels. But we're not done yet. Let's add another special effects to make our video even more captivating. Go back to the Magic Wand tool and this time, expand the mirror section. Select the horizontal option and then tap on apply. Wow! Now our video looks completely different from the original clip, with some awesome animations added. But don't stop here, keep exploring the rest of the special effects available in the Filma app. Use keyframes to combine them and create amazing results that will leave your viewers in awe. There you have it, Filmator! With the Filma app, you can unleash your creativity and turn ordinary videos into stunning visual masterpieces. So, what are you waiting for? Start experimenting with special effects and keyframes today. See you in the next video and happy editing!